The topic of UFOs, or unidentified flying objects, has long captivated the imagination of individuals around the world. The possibility that these mysterious aerial phenomena could be evidence of extraterrestrial visitors has sparked debates, speculation, and fervent beliefs among people. While some argue that there is enough evidence to support the existence of alien visitors, others maintain that further substantiation is necessary before making such claims. This article delves into the ongoing discourse surrounding UFOs and highlights the importance of empirical proof in accepting extraordinary claims. The nature of belief and scientific inquiry. Belief, whether based on faith or evidence, plays a crucial role in shaping individual perspectives. Scientists, renowned for their empirical approach, are known to embrace new theories and models based on rigorous observations. However, when it comes to UFOs, the lack of comprehensive and verifiable information makes it challenging to subject these phenomena to scientific scrutiny. Without tangible evidence, such as extraterrestrial crafts or live extraterrestrial beings available for study, it remains difficult to conclusively establish their origin. The power of empirical observations. The history of science is replete with paradigm-shifting discoveries that initially met with skepticism and disbelief. Concepts like relativity and quantum mechanics, which challenged our understanding of the universe, were initially met with resistance. However, over time, a vast body of experimental evidence and real-world applications emerged, affirming the validity of these theories. In the case of UFOs, the limited data and secrecy surrounding their study hinder comprehensive scientific investigation. Without access to physical evidence or the ability to study alleged extraterrestrial beings, it is premature to conclude their extraterrestrial origins solely based on anecdotal accounts. The role of faith and confirmation bias. In the realm of UFOs, it is important to distinguish between faith-based beliefs and fact-based beliefs. While anecdotal evidence and testimonies exist, accepting the notion of alien visitors requires a certain degree of faith. Individuals who hold such beliefs should be aware of the faith component involved and acknowledge that it does not constitute definitive proof. This does not diminish the personal significance of these accounts but rather emphasizes the need for critical analysis and further verification before embracing them as proven facts. Societal implications and public interest. The potential existence of extraterrestrial life and its visitation to Earth would undoubtedly have profound implications for our society. While some argue that the majority of people are too preoccupied with their own lives to care about such matters, others contend that a monumental announcement of alien visitation would capture widespread attention. The revelation of concrete evidence or a public encounter with an extraterrestrial being could spark widespread interest, prompting individuals to reassess their beliefs and prioritize the topic. The need for verifiable proof. In order to truly validate claims of alien visitors, it is essential to seek irrefutable evidence. While individual accounts and circumstantial evidence may be compelling, they do not provide the conclusive proof necessary to substantiate extraordinary claims. The scientific community, as well as society as a whole, requires empirical data that can withstand rigorous scrutiny. Only through comprehensive scientific investigation, the acquisition of physical evidence, and verifiable encounters can we approach the level of certainty required to establish the existence of alien visitors. The question of whether UFOs are evidence of alien visitors remains a topic of passionate debate. While anecdotal evidence and testimonies exist, it is important to maintain a scientific and skeptical mindset. The absence of tangible, replicable evidence hinders scientific investigation and leaves room for doubt. Belief in the existence of alien visitors requires a certain degree of faith, as empirical proof is currently lacking. As the search for truth continues, it is essential to approach the topic with critical thinking, demanding evidence that can withstand scrutiny. Only through the accumulation of concrete, verifiable proof can we move closer to answering the question definitively: are UFOs evidence of extraterrestrial life visiting Earth?